Hello everyone, so let's go ahead and get the daily puzzle for today's Spell wallet. Came in late because, alright, so the first thing you need to do right now is to make sure you claim. If you have some balance there, make sure you claim it. And after claiming it, we have to go ahead and click on this padlock icon just at the top right corner. Click on it, and right now we have to actually follow the combination I'm going to use. So the first one would be this, the second one would be this one here, the third one would be this. If you're not playing this game yet, guys, make sure you actually check the description to get the link. Okay, and I also check out my Telegram channel because I post a lot there that I don't talk about on YouTube. All right, so the last card is going to be this moon face. So you can see successful. We got 1 mana, claim the reward, and we're good to go. Okay, see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.